In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple-choice question paper in Microsoft Word. Creating a multiple-choice question paper in Microsoft Word is a simple way to prepare an organized test or quiz. You can add questions, provide several answer choices, and format everything clearly so it's easy for students to read and answer. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. At the top of the page, type the title of your question paper. For example, you can type multiple-choice question paper and place it in the center. You can also make the title larger and bold so it stands out. Next, add the basic information for the test underneath the title. You can include fields such as the student's name, class, date, and score. Leave enough space beside each item so the information can be filled in easily. After adding the basic information, start creating your questions. Type your first question and place it on its own line. Underneath the question, add the possible answers. For example, you can use A, B, C, and D for 4 answer choices. You can create a simple question, such as, "What is the capital of France?" Then add the choices: A, Madrid, B, Paris, C, Rome, and D, Berlin. Continue adding the remaining questions using the same format. Keep the question numbers in order and make sure each question has the same number of answer choices if that's how you want your test structured. To make the question paper easier to read, use consistent spacing between questions and answers. Avoid placing the choices too close together, and make sure each option is clearly separated from the others. You can also use Word's numbering and alignment tools to keep your questions organized. If you need to make changes later, these tools can help maintain a consistent layout throughout the document. As you create the question paper, review each question carefully. Check the spelling, grammar, question numbers, and answer choices. Make sure the choices are clear and that there is only one intended correct answer when the question is designed that way. Continue until you have added all the questions you need. Once the content is complete, review the entire document from beginning to end. Check the page breaks and make sure questions aren't separated awkwardly between pages. Finally, review the overall appearance of your question paper. Make sure the title, student information, questions, and answer choices are easy to read and properly aligned. And that's how you can create a multiple-choice question paper in Microsoft Word. With simple formatting and consistent organization, you can create a clear and professional-looking test that's easy for students to complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,